currently en route to Fortunato headquarters to pick up my coilovers. Been driving for about an hour. Still got another hour and 20 minutes, but I'm getting close. I'll update you when I'm there, but see you. So guys, we made it. We're here at Fortunato. I don't think I'm recording the inside, but here's a look at some of the cars they have. I'm pretty excited to get my coilovers. I'll talk to you guys when I get my coilovers, but we made it. So we're gonna get to unboxing it right about now. You just hear them pop. Okay, let's crack it open. Some more tape, okay. I see thank you. I think it's a package inside of the package. Yeah, it is. Okay. There we go. Let's read this first, and then I'll look at it. Look at this. We get here the Gen 7. Ooh, post your photos. Okay. Let's open this. Oh, the user guide. Okay. That's kind of cool. Damping adjustments, height adjustment, locking collars, returns. Ooh, I get a certificate of assembly. Michael Plumber, 8K, 10K. That's what I got. Stock ones, ones they said that were the best. Derisive valving. Ooh. Oh, that's kind of cool. Face mask. Fortunato face mask. That's kind of neat. With the times. Latest upgrade. Oh, I got 2 of them. Nice. I'll definitely use those. Oh, I'm definitely putting these bad boys on. It's only one. Oh, that sucks. It's fine. Thank you for searching. Okay. And then finally, get the Allen key adjuster and spring perch adjusters, or locking collars. These are used to adjust the ride height. Okay, let's set this aside. Let's see what the big boys, the big meat of the whole thing. This is part of it, I think. This is, I don't know what this is exactly. I think it's one of the mounts. Another mount. Okay, I guess these are, maybe there's a spring perches? No. I'm guessing this is part of the shock to adjust the ride height in the back. Here's the actual springs. I got the stock springs. I could have gone Swift, but I decided not to. Hi, Stella. And these are the bad boys right here. There's only, I'm guessing there's another one. Yeah, I think it's another one under there. Oh yeah, there we go. These are the shocks, I think. I'm gonna unwrap these and I'll get back to you. So I got a shock out and I got a coilover out, because this is a coilover and shock divorce spring combo. So it's a coilover in the front, 2 suspension mounting locations, and then 2 shocks in the back, and then 2 springs on spring stocks. I don't know what they're called, sorry. I'm blanking, but look at these, look how pretty they are with the green. I kind of like the green a lot. So I'm gonna leave the stickers on, of course. And then here's the coilover, which looks way beefier. And then bring it over. Oops, it's on it. It's loud. Here's the camber adjustment, camber plate, which I really wanted, which is nice to have. And then we got the adjustment, dampening adjustment also. So you can adjust the softness or hardness of the ride. 24 click. Apparently the lower the adjustment range, the better. It means it does more, which means it's better piston. But I think 24 is pretty good. I think BC Racing's 36, so that means theirs are not as good as this one. Potentially, I think they ride stiffer. Apparently these are supposed to have lots of travel also, which is very nice. And then we got our ride adjustment right there, our spring, and then we got this spring right here and a spring perch. That's what it's called. I think, I don't know if you're supposed to use this to adjust the ride height or the shock. I think the shock because of the body's threaded, but I don't know how that would adjust the ride height. I'll have to figure it out later. But let me get this rest of this unboxed and I'll see you later.